So I had a pretty rude comment on one of my shorts. The guy said, "I'm obviously not an artist if I don't understand the concept that I was talking about." Which I was talking about AI art, whatever. He's right. But then out of nowhere, he adds at the end, he says, "Oh, and that haircut doesn't suit you." Hair shaming me out of nowhere. Part of me was like, "You think I'm ugly?" Like, or whatever. "You think my hair looks stupid?" But then I started thinking about it. I was like, so is he actively thinking of a haircut that would suit me? Because now I want to know, what was he thinking? What kind of haircut? Did he think I should have a mohawk? He obviously had an idea, like, I see your face, I see your head shape, and that haircut is not what I would have chosen for you. I apologize to him for my ignorance and my appearance. You should use AI art to generate some hairstyles. And I'm gonna just Photoshop them all over my head. I'm gonna send it to him. I'm gonna be like, all right, choose. They did a study where they wanted to test, like, what's the healthiest alcohol. So the test had gin, vodka, whiskey, rum. They ran it through a few types of tests. Caloric count, and they did, sugar content, the whole nutritional portion. But then they also did this test where they took big ice cubes that were covered in bacteria, and they put in a little glass, and then they poured the alcohol over the ice cube, and they left it. And then when they came back the next day, they tested the amount of bacteria that was left in the cup. What ended up happening is all the liquors had basically the same amount of bacteria left, except for whiskey. The whiskey actually killed all the bacteria. They noted about 1,000 other things why whiskey's really good for you. So it's really good for me. This is why I'll live forever, and you'll all die because you're drinking vodka. This is Orbem, Orbem Explorer. This is the video game. So this is based off of my book series. You can check out the series. Orbem is book 1, Miropelia is book 2, and I'm working on book 3 right now. It's a sci-fi fantasy crossover novel. A lot of hard science, a lot of explanation, scientific stuff, a lot of programming stuff. But then it's in a fantasy universe, so you get elves, you get magic, you get every animal humanoid that you could want. And I'm making the video game based off of the story. So I have a basis for the entire video game. I have my universe to use, which is cool. All right, but what are we doing? Let's start game deving, huh? But a skill to be able to learn a language is the best skill in the world. Being able to just pick up languages, APIs, programs, UIs, like quickly, you're gonna be fine. That's really cool. You're just learning everything you need to it's great to do until you need to make money. Then stop branching out. Stop learning everything. When you need to make money, you need to start only focusing on what makes you money, because that's what you need to like really hone in on skill wise. And then your little side projects, you can learn whatever you want for fun, but if you're gonna put time and focus into, hey, don't worry, you're not the only nerd here. Whoa. Don't be throwing the N-word around like that. Definitely not a nerd. Are you kidding me? I'm barely a dork. Yeah, I like the new iteration on the word nerd. Nerd it's such a compliment these days. It's crazy. 80s movies, maybe? That was the most, Revenge of the Nerd style. That has to be the most defamation version of nerd. And even then, man, that dude's cool. He's usually like hacking into stuff or something like that. Or you're telling me that being a big jerk and playing football isn't the coolest thing in the world? Weird. Though now nerds suck, you know what I mean? Because like everybody's like, oh, I'm a nerd. And they're like Instagram model and they watch anime, so now they're a nerd. I guess there's a spectrum of nerds, but to me, a nerd has to have a juxtapose, right? You have to have a non-nerd calling you a nerd to be a nerd. You can't just have a bunch of nerds calling themselves nerds. Then it's like everybody's just normal then. So everyone's a nerd, that means no one's a nerd. Come on down to WordPress town and hang out with good old Orbem Order and his scotch. You know what we do here. We party. We did it, guys. We made it to Friday. Jump scare. It's Friday! You guys excited? Woo! Hey! Yay, Friday! Game Doodle, right off the bat. Good people. What up, man? Fucking yeah. Oh, and then spring break for Indy! Woo! That's fantastic. Love that. Let's keep the spring break train going. Excited, happy, all around a good time, guys. You know, it was a hard couple weeks, but we made it through. And now we're nothing but Friday. Oh, that's not very good. We gotta change that in the sound if I'm gonna make weird noises. Did you like my vibing song? I sped it up a little bit. Friday. Let's go! You might not be talking much because you're dealing drugs down here. Sure, buddy, in the game. I know you nerd kids and your Adderall selling. Friday. All right. Yep, Lokesh. Always have music for the game. I'm brewing in my brain, so anytime I come up with like a little thing, I record it. This one came out pretty fun. I still like my rando song. The boss fight is still one of my faves right now. Friday! And then I have this one actually kicking around that I haven't done anything with. I don't really know. Could be something. I'll probably come back to it. Low riser. Yep. We'll leave that one on. Beats, then a riser, and your boss music. Oh yeah, that might be good. Side quest. Rando music. Yeah, man, get on it. Who doesn't want to fight a boss while I'm screaming in their face? I don't know. I can't think of one person that wouldn't. You know, I'm gonna do something boring though. And by the way, Lava, what's up, man? How you doing? How's work? How's the real world? How's your Friday? Everybody killing it? Everyone having a good time? There's no better time than hanging out with me on a Friday night. That's for damn sure. Hang out with me. Uh-oh. No idea what I'm doing. I am doing something boring right now. Pretty good. Working on your second master's in AI now? Man, you're so dumb. Just fucking stop, dude. Stop going to school. Stop it. Cut it out. fucking start making me money. That's all you need to do. Focus on making me money. Whatever, that's cool. Master's an AI. Does ChatGPT just teach you? You just like ask it questions all day. I like that. Cool, man. Well, good luck with that. Coding is dying, correct. You're getting an AI management policy now. Purdue. Yeah, Purdue's all. I heard all of Purdue's teachers are AI now. So, same thing. Everything's been taken over. Hey, coding is not dying. You don't have a choice. You have to code. You have to code something. As long as there's an internet. I mean, once the internet is fully dead, then we won't have to worry about coding. Unless you want to code stuff. Yeah, AI coding, it's fine. Still sucks. AI coding still sucks. And I think I talked about this in a short once. The only time AI coding is going to be good is when AI creates its own coding language. You know what I mean? Vibe coding. Yeah, that's vibe coding for sure. When AI creates its own coding language in which it creates its own rule set, its own framework, you know, its own standards and all that kind of stuff, then the code is fully under the control of AI and it knows exactly what it's doing. And if it doesn't, it creates it. You know what I mean? But like, as long as AI is just going off of other people's code, it's never going to be good enough. We need AI coding language created by AI for AI. Anthropic just announced their models are showing signs of being able to self-improve with developer interaction. Yeah, I don't care about that. Own coding language. Created by, for, by, that kind of shit. It's the only way. Yeah, I mean, they're all training on their own shit and using basic thought to, you know, trial and error to learn what works and what doesn't work, right? 2030 digital intelligence. There we go. You know, Orbem, book 1, as shown on my screen. This book takes place in 2030. Isn't that weird? I don't know why I did that. 2030, Orbem takes place. Near future. And, you know, people are still working on their own technology. So, I think we have a good idea by my future telling, my time machine that I used to write the book. I think we're going to be okay for the next 5 years. Well, we'll see. If Trump just figures out how to get more than 2 terms, then nobody's going to be okay. But, hey, everybody. I am going to add SSO to Orbem.com. Yeah, facts, I know. Once he does the fucking Putin route, creates a new level, like Emperor or whatever, in which the next president is beneath him, then, you know, nothing good will happen from that. Yeah, I need to create a new SSO API key, so I'm doing that right now. Which this is going to be a web application. This is Orbem. Wait, what? I know they have old docs for this, but I got the name. Support email? No, I don't need that. Wait, for use. So this is going to be orbemortar.com. I guess the same thing. Something like that. Oh, it was that easy. Oh, wait. It wants me to do what? Does it want me to add the WP7 shit? Oh, no. This is just app shit. It's not asking me any of these questions. That's weird. OAuth consent screen. Oh, did I do the wrong one? No, I did the right one. Oh, here we go. Wait, where's my... Orbem. I don't know. The Supreme Leader. I blew automatically. Oh, cool. So maybe I don't have to do anything. I need scopes. Yeah. What's the scope I need? I need OpenID, user info, and email. Alright. Does it need any manual scopes? I don't think so. Web application. Oh, I already did this. Oh, maybe I did it out of order. Whatever. App registration. I don't think I need to do that. Yeah, so this is good now. That's good. I don't think I need to add this. Branding. App name is Orbem SSO. Yeah, okay. Homepage. Yep. Oops. I actually do have a privacy policy, which is privacy. And privacy. Sure. Orbem at Gmail. Yeah, we'll do that. Cool. I think that's it, right? I can just grab my shit. Yeah, and then I gotta configure the OAuth. You. Sign me in, buddy. Yeah, I'm gonna do this because right now it's really annoying. Like when you go straight to the game, it makes you create an account, and it's like a friction that people aren't liking. You know, I was could you spell it? Privacy. Yeah, of course you could. But you know, when I was raiding Jedum last night, he was like trying to play the game real quick and stuff like that, and he didn't want to get an email and stuff like that. It just kind of like stopped everything. So if I had SSO where you're just like, yeah, whatever, I'll log in with Google real quick, then it would have made it a lot easier. What am I doing? I need to do configure OAuth. Yes. Add new application. Is that what I was saying? Yes. And I want to do a Gmail or Google, I guess. Sure. So let's do that. Client ID. Client ID. Client secret. Yeah, don't worry, guys. You can just go back and watch the VOD and copy this. Like I give a shit. And no, let's not save that. Anything special? Header? Something like that? Callback URL? What's that? Oh, it's already here. Dang, man. It's like you're reading my mind. Oh, we're testing. Okay, test. Continue. Ah. I don't think it's the redirect URL's correct. What's it supposed to be? You need to enter the app name and endpoints here. Where? What? Why did it do that? I'm confused. I don't want to run the test. Oh, did it work? Oh no, it failed. Yeah. Hold on. Let's go back. So callback's not. Scope is fine. Authorization. Endpoint. So, what the fuck? It seems like the redirect was wrong. Did I miss that part? What's the redirect URL supposed to be? It should be my website. That's homepage. Where's the redirect URI? No. Consent. Maybe it's the application homepage? Let's try WP7. No. What? That's not right. Add remove scope. OAuth. Oh, redirect URI. Is WP7 what it's supposed to be? From mini orange module under. Oh. Authorize redirect URI I have to do. Hold up. Let's go back. Callback URL. Authorization endpoint. Where's the fucking redirect URI? You. Yeah. Change app. No. Wait, let's go back. Hold on. Where's the actual redirect URI? What am I missing here? Enter the name you want for your client ID underneath and enter the redirect callback URI. Yeah, but it was just giving me my URL. I mean, my website. Which wasn't working. Does Mini Orange not require an actual... Does it just know? Because it wasn't working. Okay. I guess we'll just continue. Let's try again. Google. Callback URL. Copy the below URL, redirect URI, and configure it in your OAuth OIDC provider. I did that. And that is the redirect URL that I used. But the test didn't work. Header, body. Doesn't matter. Callback is fine. Login with gaps. Client secrets, good. 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 Everything looks good. Let's try again. Yeah, I don't know why it's not actually doing anything. It has the state. It has everything that it needs. I wonder if it's because of my login redirect. Or maybe it's because I'm already logged in. Rerun test. Username not received. Check your attribute mapping configuration. What? Oh, maybe I need to do it with a new email. Let's do it with one that doesn't have an account. Well, none of these should. Yeah, no. It's just not working, brah. Why you no working? User type, external, OAuth consent screen. Maybe I set it up wrong. User. What did I do wrong? Orbem.com, that's correct. We have the status. Creation, client ID. Is this just not public or something? Orbem. So let's check the overview. Does not appear to be getting hit. Users. No. Branding. It doesn't matter. Logo doesn't matter. Domains. Shouldn't matter. I don't know what that's for. Authorized domain. Yes. Yes. Okay, that's fine. It's in production. Oh, wait. Yeah, see, I have it as external. Okay. And then I have the name. I have the email. I did this shit. Maybe I should add the WP7. I don't know. I'm gonna try adding WP7 just because that's what they keep doing. Where is it? No, I'm not gonna do that. Well, maybe I should. I don't know. Let's try it. Let's just copy exactly what they did. Maybe there's something special about it. I don't think there is, but okay. And then authorized domain, social.com. Is that what I need to do? I don't know. Let's add social.com again, just in case. Social.com. Yeah, okay. Maybe there's something about that. And then scopes, I already did. It's just those three. Correct. I made it a web application, right? This is a web application. Yep. It's a web application. And then redirect callback from mini or yeah, and the redirect callback was just my website. Whatever. I'm going to wait, how come I don't have any scopes? Am I in the wrong one? No. Yeah, the authorized redirect URIs. I don't know, I'm gonna add. There's a bottle on the wall. Yeah, it's empty. That's my my bottle. My whatchamacallit. Yeah, that's my infused bottle that I made before. Okay. Well, it doesn't look like the scopes got added, so let's add those back. I don't know why they didn't get added. That could be why this isn't working, maybe. Verification not required. No, look, they went away again. Why? Oh, am I not saving it? Is that why? Oh, I bet that's it. I bet it's just because these weren't saved. Okay, it might work now. Let me actually get rid of all those WP7 shits. I don't think these are right. I also don't know if it needs that final slash or not at the end, but I'm gonna leave it. You're playing with Kuzo? Can you play Schedule 1 with other people? I didn't think you could. Okay. Let's see if it works now. I think I need to re-log in. Because I'm awesome. Drug dealing is only fun with other people, yeah. Oh, it's multiplayer. Schedule 1's multiplayer? Whoa, I did not know that. Yo, what up, Michael? Let's do it. How you doing, man? Happy Friday. Welcome to the YouTube Shorts live feed. If you want, you can jump back on over on Twitch so you can hang out with the dudes. Okay, what the hell's going on here? I'm going to the website. Did I crash my site? I don't know. I think I crashed my site. Yeah, I screwed something up. Is orbemortar.com down? Highly possible. Hey, there he is. V-Draz. Let's get the stream avatars reset. See if this does anything. Oh, I think if the site's down, it won't work. Yeah, I think I destroyed the website. That's unfortunate. God damn it, Mini Orange. What did you do to me? Let me try logging on here, see if it works. I destroyed my website. Fucking plugins, man. I should have just set up SSO on my own. Let's go to Flywheel. I might have to fuck around. Wait, is this right? I don't remember what email I signed up with. Yes, it is. The shop's working for you? Huh. Maybe it's just me. It's my internet? Oh, hold on. Let me turn Wi-Fi off. My bad. I forgot I had that on. I was using AirPlay. I was playing Dandy's World with my daughter earlier. Yeah, that was it. So I was casting my computer. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to Mini Orange and try to get this going now that I think the scopes are there. Let's refresh. Where you at, Mini Orange? There you are. Okay, let's continue. I think this is all correct. Testing. Still not working. What the fuck? Yeah, it really might be because of my whole login redirect is screwing it up, maybe. What is this? Yeah, it just goes back to the fucking... Or am I logged in? It's supposed to close that window though if it worked. Hold up, let's try doing it from incognito. See if this works. Okay. Do you know about virtual machines? Hey, Lorenzo, how you doing? Yeah, I know some things. Virtual machines are... Yeah, look at username not received. Check your attribute matching. I don't get it. What does this mean? Why you no work? The testing doesn't work. Yeah, I've set up virtual machines just so I could run Windows on Macs or Macs on Windows. But what, you have having issues? What's going on? Callback URL. I just feel like maybe the callback URL is wrong or something. You need to enter the app name and endpoints here. Yeah, because I don't think I need to enter these. I did that. I did that. It's just, I'm not getting this setup wizard either. Finish. Let me just finish it. I don't know. Maybe it's correct. Let's edit it. Login with gaps. Client ID set. Secret set. 1, 2, 3. We have this endpoint, which, you know, they already added. Authorization endpoint. Yeah. Token endpoint. Yeah. Good, good. Wait, what's this? Oh, it's premium. Show on login page. Attribute mapping. Man, I don't know. It's just not working. Let's check the login screen. Let's see what it looks like. Close. Or more.com. I have a custom login though. That's the only problem. It might be just my custom login setup. Yeah, because I mean, I'm not going to have the login here. I should have it here, though. No, it's not here either. Shite. Maybe create account? I thought I was just using the register thing here. Interesting. Yep. I might just not be able to do with my setup. I might have to turn off my custom login shit. All those redirects that keep you out of the admin. Which shouldn't matter, because people are just subscribers, but... let's turn it off for now, just to see if that's blocking anything. Let's see, login. Yeah, so I'm hiding the login. What else is login related? Here's the login redirect. It keeps you out of the admin. And this is an auto login user or log out. I think you know what? Let's just turn this off in case it's also screwing something up. Here's the registration form. So this is the custom form I made. I wonder, do they have like a shortcut or something you can add? So I don't have to... so I can set it up on my own. Login settings. Doot doot doot. Do you have a shortcode? I don't remember. Login with gaps. Oh, that's dumb. Apply above customization on the WP admin. Write your own custom code. No. Account setup. What's this? No. Yep. Oh, feature details? What's this about? Login options. Oh, here we go. Short code. Aha. To you, so this is features as you use the blah 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 short code anywhere on your site. Okay, here we go. This is what I need. Womp. So let's go ahead and add this. Oh, I'm already in this. Let's do this. HTML. Customizing WordPress. Do short code. You. Okay. Let's echo that. Oh, I probably don't need to do that. I can just do this. True. Right? Oh, it's just passing args to it. True. Isn't there a... Nah, whatever. Let's just do that. Alright, let's see what this looks like on the local site. Oh, I don't think I have this on the local site. Whatever, let's just push it up. If we take the site down, no one's gonna miss it. Right? Now's your chance to get into the dashboard, people. Nothing you can do in there, but still your chance. So I updated register. Perfect. Go. All right. I don't know if that was all the login shit. I should have probably looked more. Login. No, that was it. Okay. Sure. If I go, hey, TurboZap 1. How you doing? Welcome to the party. Well, whatever. Kind of a party. A WordPress party. Because there ain't no party like a WordPress party. Let's try it actually like this. You. Log in. Alright. Did it push? Should have pushed. Let's try getting into the WP admin. Nope. It hasn't pushed yet. Let's try again. Nope, hasn't pushed yet. Come on. Come on. Am I missing something? That should be it. Let's see, actually. Inline, it's application passwords. Locals. Fucking things. We've got this, we've got that. Any more redirects? Oh, shit. Here it is. This. I think it's this. Let's get rid of this too. This hides the admin bar for everybody when they're logged in. Oh, well, let's just do this. Alright. Uno mas. Hey, Malmich. Mamovich. How you doing? Seems like it's been forever. Welcome. Oh, did we not get the stream avatars working? Hold on. We are trying to get Google sign up on orbemortar.com to make it easier for people to play the game. And I just wanted to knock that out real quick before we continue working on the game. Cool. Do I have anything else? No, that's just a redirect for that shit. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright. Let's try it again. All right. So we have our login with gaps. Let's see if this works. Sure. No, same issue. So it's not my shit. Interesting. Check your attribute mapping configuration. What the fuck does that even mean? Mini orange. Da, 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 da. Test configuration. Bup, 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 bup. Now go to attribute role mapping tab. Huh? Attribute role mapping tab. Oh, what's this for? Huh? What? Username. What? Oh wait, correct. Username. Username. I don't get it. What's the fucking... What? What is this? What are these? Username. Email. What? I don't understand. Oh. No, I still don't understand. I guess we can do username name? I don't get it. Wait, what did it say to do? It said username, or username email. I don't get it. Wait, am I supposed to get an email? Role mapping. Keep existing user role mapping. Wherever user do not allow login if roles are not mapped here. I don't have any roles. Oh, it's saying right here. ISS is email. Oh, it's telling me what my shit is. So username is Harmonian. Oh, I'm doing the... Oh, it's asking me to map what people log in as. So their username would be... Shit. I guess I'll make their username their name? Or given name? Right? Username is name. Given name. Probably. Or should I make their full name be their username? I don't think you can do spaces though, that's the only problem. Alright, we'll just do first name. Email is email. Okay, maybe that's the problem. I just didn't have a way of creating accounts. API security is not enabled on your site. Test security, what? Hey, why don't you fuck yourself and don't talk to me that way. Alright, let's try it again. Or mortar. And now I'm going to turn back all my disabling shit. Because I don't like this being open. Login. Let's do this again. Sure. Work. Well, I got an email. I'm not logged in though. Let's check what the email said, I guess. Security alert. No, it was just a security alert. Okay. It's still not doing anything. It's not logging me in. I didn't get the error at least. But it didn't do, or maybe I am logged in. Let's go back. No? Still asking me to log in. Well, that's weird. Now it didn't even open. It's acting as if I'm logged in. But I'm not logged in, or this would be here. What the fuck? When did I do that? It looks like I broke it. It must have been the shortcode I added. Okay. Yeah, this is weird. I'm not logged in, obviously. I don't get what's going on. Maybe I don't have it set up to log you in. Just, wait, did it create an account? Let's at least check that. Okay, it did create an account. So, first step worked. Yeah, what up? Okay, so it created an account. So that's good. But now we need to figure out what to do. Well, it needs to... I want it to log you in. Sure. Allow duplicate emails? No. So yes, it's just role mapping. So that worked fine. Login settings, maybe. Yeah, shoot. Advanced security settings. Allow login to verified IDP account. Allow login only to admin users who have the field marked below as verified. Oh, maybe that's why. It's not logging them in because it's requiring them to be admins. Because, I mean, this SSO is usually for people to log into websites for, like, business accounts. So I could see why that wasn't, by default. Custom redirect URL after login? No. Wait, keep blank in case you want user to react to a page with SSO origin. Yeah, whatever. Log out settings. Restrict site to logged in users. Users will be auto redirected to auth login if not logged in. Oh, so this is like the site has to be logged in. Oh, these are all premium things anyways. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna see if it works now. Let's see if it logs me in this time. Now that I changed the settings. And then we'll go back and put the redirect back in. Yep. So now this shouldn't create an account, it should just log me in. No, still not logged in. Okay. Make mini orange SSO login user, not just create account. Yeah. Instead of creating new ones, you need to disable user creation and ensure proper user mapping. I did that. Wait. To log users into existing accounts instead of creating new ones. This involves navigating to relevant settings within a menu or blah, 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 blah. Let's go to Advanced SSO or Sign In Settings tab. Locate Disable User Creation. I don't think that's a thing. I do not think that was an option. Wait, so this was checked. Yeah. Allow login to verified. Allow login only to admin users who have the... Yeah, so no. Oh, wait. Auto register users. If unchecked, only existing users will be able to log in. If checked, existing users' attributes will not be overridden when they log in. Okay, well, I definitely want that checked. Are they fucking me with the... They're fucking me with this, aren't they? It's gonna require... Oh no, these are standard. Oh, that's a premium. Is this the fucking thing I need to check? If checked, existing users' attributes will not be overridden when they log in. I mean, I guess I don't care, but I want them to log in at all. Right now they're not logging in. So how do I log people in? SSO for admin user is disabled by default. You can now map email attributes. Yeah, I already did that. Yeah, it's just not logging them in. It's creating an account. Let's see what ChatGPT has to say about this. I use my mini orange SSO Gmail login, only creating a user account and not logging the user in. Okay, let's see. So basically auto login or auto redirect after login is enabled. So I want auto redirect after login enabled. I don't think I can do that. Custom redirect. Custom redirect. There's custom redirect. Wait, open login window in pop-up. Keep blank in case you want user to redirect. Wait, what? Okay. Enterprise. I don't get it. Well, the only thing that said redirect was nothing there. Wait. Auto login, auto login is enabled. Create user if not exist is enabled, but also followed by login. See, they're just making shit up though. That's not a thing. Yeah. Or problem with the user's username, email mapping within the application. Let's say the WordPress logged in cookie might not be being properly set. You're not working to log in. Troubleshoot. Welp. I don't know, man. This is why I don't like dealing with fucking plugins. Because I don't control this shit. So what is happening? It's going through the whole process, but it's not logging them in. Now, I already have my own auto login logic. I wonder if I can use what I do, which is login init. Like, I auto log them in here. Yeah. So maybe I'll do this. But this is going to require a nonce. Fuck. Hmm. Yeah, it's going to require a nonce, unfortunately. Which is coming from the sign-in form. Oh, you're going to see Minecraft this weekend? Hell yeah. You haven't seen it yet? Man, you're missing out. Everybody in the world is seeing it but me and you. Okay. So this isn't working. Oh shit, I did do action. That's why it's not working. Short code, you idiot. There we go. That should work now. Okay. I'm gonna put everything back. And I think... Oh, shit. Why didn't that work? I'm going to try to use... What the fuck? Oh. Weird. Ooh, separate. Got it. Oops. There we go. Yeah, I think that's it. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to disable one of the security features for auto logging in. And I'm going to have to test it out like that. Where is it? Huh? Huh? Oh, shit. That's also why it wasn't working. Good. There we go. WAR. Where is it? Oh, right here. So let's get rid of this. We're going to try this out. So login user will have to be the... And then we're going to... The problem is I'm using that to get the user. Shit. So I need their username. I don't think I can get that dynamically. Fuck. Maybe I can. No, I don't think I can. Okay. We can create an account with Google. They can't log in because they don't have a password. I might have to try a different fucking system. This doesn't seem like this is working. Login. Login. You can also use a link to login via OAuth OpenID provider. To know how to get application name. I don't care. The app name field determines which auth provider will be used for SSO. That's fine. Damn it. Mini Orange is only creating accounts, not logging user in. I have a feeling that this is like a premium option that they're fucking me with. Oh, hell yeah, your cousin's gonna go too? Kuzo! I I'm gonna try testing this one more time. Test. Test. I'm already logged in. I'm gonna edit this and just triple check I'm not missing something. Oneword.com. This is come back to be configured at your open provider. Does not mean to redirect users to this URL after SSL. Okay. But like, why wouldn't it just be the URL of your website? I don't get it. Got that. We got that. We have the scopes. So this is all fine. It's creating users. It's great. It's going great. Login button. Allow admin SSO. I don't know what that means. I'm going to allow it though. Email mapping. So we already did that, which is fine. Keep existing user roles. Do not allow login if roles are not mapped here. I just wonder if it's not allowing login for any reason. Change to manual mode. What does that mean? Oh, where I'm like just choosing my own field. Yeah, I mean display name would be good, but that's fine. Alright, well let's at least say what I did. I already did that. Allow login only to admin users who have the field. See, auto register users. If checked, existing users' attributes will not be overwritten when they log in. See, I definitely want this, but that's a premium thing. Is that just it though? Is it just creating a user every time and it's not logging them in? But they're not technically logging in. That's the problem. Existing users are only email attributes will not be overridden now. Hide. Keep blank in case you want users to redirect to a page from where. Download logs. What do we got? Anything? Tokens fine. Anything about login failing? No. Seems like it worked. Token received. I don't know. Doesn't make sense. Hey, I can call them. Should I call them? Would that be fun? Okay. Feature details, yeah. I don't know. Redirect URL with error. Login button translation. I just wonder if anybody else is having this issue. Auto register by default. Cannot use login. No. Adding login. Login only one user. No. Doesn't seem like anybody else is having an issue like I am. That's why I feel like I'm just missing something, you know? Something about the way this is functioning. Because it creates the account, it just doesn't log them in. Which, you know, I also was having an issue with that. That's why I created that auto login feature. How do you auto log in a user after account creation in WordPress? Yeah. Create user, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I don't want that. Account creation is being done by WordPress. Can user account automatically? You want to auto log in user mean afterwards, then you can hook into WordPress user registration. Can you? This might not work perfectly if the user is created during a non-standard request like SAML post, because cookies might not persist. Hook into a init template redirect. Template redirect. You can user exist but isn't logged in. You can do something like this. Whatever you can detect from the SSO flow. Ah. Okay. I don't think I can detect any of that. Oh, here we go. They have their own flow. I guess I could try this if this is real. This is the action. Let's see if this is real. WordPress hook mini orange. No. Oh, they have their own hooks here. Let's see if they have that. User register? No. Here we go. User login. Fires after user successfully logged in. Oh, this is after they're logged in. This one fires when user is registered. Okay, well then it's probably this one, user register. Fires just before user's username is searched for. Modify the username, blah blah blah. See, it acts like it's trying to log him in, but it doesn't. This fires just before the user is logged in. This fires after user is created, updated. This allows you to perform actions in user after the user has logged in, and also provides the basic user attribute received IDP. I just wonder if any of these are getting hit. Because this is fires after user is created or updated. I just wonder if this actually exists. Because if that's true, then technically I should be able to copy what I do here for the auto login. SSO login. So I need username, which is all I need really. First name, last name. No, I think I just need username, right? Yes. Unless they give me user ID. Which would be cool. Attributes? IDP name? I don't know what IDP name is. Let's just get username. And it's called MoSaml attribute. Oops. This is WordPress, baby. Deal with it. Oop. Action. You. Alright, I'm just gonna basically do this. Whatever. I'll just do this. This. Okay. So this is username. In this case, yeah, sure. So it's right after they get created. And that's it, right? If no error received, use the cookie, blah, blah, blah. All right, let's try it out. This might work. And if it does, then we don't have to deal with any, you know, fucking new plugin or anything that I was thinking of having to do. Rego. Fun. All right, go. Yeah, it seems so easy when you read about settings and stuff in like 3 or 4 seconds. Yeah, I don't know. I really do feel like they're kind of just holding out on it because there's like a, you know, a feature built into it. I feel like the premium version would allow me to do this right out of the box, but maybe, even though it's not saying that, it feels like maybe the auto login feature is part of the premium. Let's see, did I fix it? No. Where the hell is it? Damn it. Is it in here? How come their shortcode isn't working? That's weird. Oh, maybe I do actually have to echo it out. Hold on. Where was it? Register. Here. No. Where's the register form? Is it a thingy doodad in here? Login. No, this is for login. You know, I should just add it here too. Let's do this. Echo, do shortcode, gravity form. What the fuck are you talking about? Mo. Wait, what was the fucking thing? I gotta find it. This is register. No. Oh, it was part of this. That's right. Upload video, contact form. Here it is. Mo OAuth login. So let's try echoing this. And then let's also try doing it here. And push. Now I gotta upload a couple things though. I mean, I could install the Mini Orange plugin on my local and try to test it there, but then I have to set up all the configuration shit too. And it doesn't usually work locally, SSO in general. So why even try? Yeah, right. You, and then the template login. There we go. You're gonna go to bed? All right. 50 hours, man. Congrats. Have a good night, Indy. Sweet dreams. Enjoy yourself in those dreams, and have a great weekend. I will catch you on Monday, my friend. And as soon as I get this working, I'll probably kick rocks as well. But I will not give up. Not yet. You can be dreaming about... Yeah, you probably will be. Here we go. Features only supported only in standard and higher versions. What the fuck are you talking about? Higher versions? What? What does that even mean? Wait, what do you mean? The short code? What the hell are you talking about, Mini Orange? What happened to your shit? What the fuck? The short code isn't allowed? Oh yeah, look at that. Login which in short code is not allowed. Son of a bitch. Well then how do you even fucking use it? You can only use it on the WordPress login screen. See, this is what I'm fucking talking about. I went through all that shit and I can't even use this. Well, they're not the only SSO under the sea. Hey, you just got a one-way ticket to Deletesville, Mini Orange. Good fucking job. You piece of shit. Time to auto do this bitch. Which, honestly, it's not going to be that hard to make it myself. I've set up SSO before. Tell us what happened. Upgrading the paid version. Fuck you. Ding! I hope they enjoy that. You should employ Devin. Yep. Then the AI can... Oh, that's true. Yeah. Didn't think about that. I hope Mini Orange reaches out and says something like, why did you tell me to fuck you? Because you're a little bitch, Mini Orange. You made me waste my fucking life when I could have just been like this. Hey, write me a Google SSO login button for my WordPress login page in PHP. Thanks, dude. Cool. Where? What? Wait. Where's the first part? Right here. Okay. Login URL. Action. No, I don't want to do this. I just need it to be the pop-up initiator. I just want a pop-up Google Auth feature. That redirects back to my site. creates or log in a user with their email and first name. With their email as email and first name as username. Yep, I already did that. I already did all this. And then we'll have our client ID here. We'll have an onload button. Yeah, that's fine. I'll do some inline JavaScript. Alright, so let's add this instead of this bullshit. Let's add this here, which is fine. And the client ID I already have kicking around here. Joe. I need Joe. Alright. Alright. We got that. And then I need client ID. What? No. Got the client ID. Okay. We have the handle Google login, which is happening when you do what? How's this gonna work even? Where's the button? Probably this. Handle Google login. Oh, it's the data callback. I got it. Yeah, this might work. I think I can even do this one locally too. What is this? This is my login pop-up. Order.local. Login. Alright, here's my sign in. Error. Access blocked. Authorization error. Yeah. I think this is because I'm trying to do it on an unauthorized URL. Hold on, let me just add it. Am I HTTPS? No, I am not. I don't think it will let me use that. No. Yeah, I won't let you use local. That's fine, I'll just push this up and try it out. You piece of shit, Google. Login. Yeah, I want to try this out. Because if I can just get the login to work with just a pop-up and it returns and I can handle login myself, then fuck Mini Orange. It's actually a really big plugin and adds a lot of overhead. So I'm actually happy I decided to just say fuck you and do it myself. Whatever, I do what I want. Alright. Sign in with Google. Sure, why don't I? Okay. Well, that worked. Ish. But then it did this. Not valid. Something or other. Oh, it must be the code on the page. Hold up. Must be the shit I added. The code. Yeah. Okay, we have the iframe. Document. Oh, it must be this maybe? It don't like it. That's weird. Well, it worked. I don't know what this is about, though. Considering it won't let me. Oh, Google OAuth callback. Failed to load. Oh, because that's not even a thing. Right. Let's finish the game here. Hold on. Oh, I need the handler. That's why. I'm dumb. I didn't even finish the handler. Good. At least we know the first part works. And now let's add this, which is basically an init callback. Action init. Because I do things fancy in this bitch. And it's going to be a post request, I guess. My client ID is right here, which is already on the login. Yep. Same client ID. Cool. And then we got this, blah, 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 invalid audience, whatever. We have a JSON success. It's creating the user, and then it's auto-logging them in. Hell yeah. Let's go. Okay, this should work. I got a feeling. Actually, this needs to happen on that specific page. So, do I need to create that page? Maybe not. Let's just check it out. Where is it? Register. Come on, almost there. Google login. Here we go. But you see this? Two functions. I mean, technically one function and one iframe of Google SSO button. I mean, things that WordPress plugins come in. I mean, Mini Orange is supposed to allow you to log into all those apps. And also, you know, it has like an Okta SAML setup as well. So I get why it's big. But there's not a good, just easy single sign-in plugin. There's some out there, but yeah. You're scrolling on YouTube Shorts. Nailed it. Indie got me again. You can't escape me. That's no longer a thing. Let's go ahead and go back. Try again. Go. It worked. Success. Nope. 2 thumbs. 2 thumbs. Come on, buddy. Yeah. All right. Google login, people. Let's fucking go. So, this should also be in join. Oh, I gotta get rid of that. Shortcode sitting there in the corner. So let's add it to this form. Let's add it to this form, which is escape to Orbem. This needs to have it. Yeah, much better. This is gonna be much better. So we have it on the login here. I need to make this a util. That way I can just call upon this wherever I want. So let's go. Echo do. Actually, we'll just do a util. Do I have a util class? I guess I don't. What do I have? Market, explore, register. Whatever. We'll just do register. Login. Google. Login. Alright, and then we'll do this. And we'll do public static function Google login. Fantasticals. I could probably like customize this too, depending on where it's loading from, but for now we're just gonna do this. Yeah, that should be easy enough. I will clean up this code another time. SOO. Okay, and now let's go to explore. Let's do welcome. Nope. I think it's the explore template. Welcome. And then we have a greeting. Please log in. We have register form. Login form. Register. Wait, what? I have the register form here? Where? This is just a login. Why is it saying there's a register form here? Huh. Was I going to have it, maybe? And I'm hiding it for now? Why am I doing that? Hold on, I want to figure that out real quick. That's actually confusing. I confuse myself constantly. Don't worry about that. Login. Login. Oh yeah, register form right here. Huh. Wonder why I don't have this. Oh, that's right. I forgot. I was gonna do that. I have a link to create an account. I was gonna make it open the register form on this page so you didn't have to go to register, but I got too lazy. That's really funny. Okay, well maybe we should make that work actually. Alright, let's do, nope, I meant to do, let's do that, or, how do we want to do this? Create an account. Register, Google login. And then one other place. Let's do it like this. Whatever, I don't need data. Everybody knows what Google does. We have the login pop-up. We have the explore page. We need the register page too. So let's go to, I think that's actually a shortcode. So register. Ooh. This one. So let's get rid of this shortcode. And instead, we'll just call upon Google login. Actually, can I even do it like this? I don't know if I can. You know, I'm gonna go to my local and see what I got going on. Okay, so sign in for Google works here. Good. I also have register? Or is it join? Oh, here we go. Okay, we got sign in with Google. Here. Good, that worked. It's kind of weird that's at the top there, but fuck it. I don't care. I'm on a time crunch here. Okay, cool. So you can sign in or register here. Let me actually make sure. I want to say not just login. I want to say login or create with Google. Oh, it's being iframed in, isn't it? That's not even my button. Okay, never mind. I think that's, yeah, none of my control. That's fine. I don't care. And we got rid of the shortcode. Okay, I think we're good. Oh, the last thing I wanted to do real quick before I end The video starts before you're logged in. I do not want it to happen. So on the explore page, where's the video? Right here. Right? No, no, no. This is if it's a background video. Intro video. Here we go. So the intro video, I want to be only if you're logged in. So let's do logged. Is user logged in? Here we go. There we go. So now check it out. If I go here, see it goes straight here instead of doing the video. And then if I log in, now it shows. That's what I want. That was also a weird thing that happened with Jedem. He went to it and the video played and he watched the whole video and he got excited to play the game and then it showed the create account screen and he's like, fuck. I'm like, yeah, sorry about that. All right, this is a big win. It needs to be completely cleaned up styling wise, but I'm, as far as functionality goes, this is a big win for the site. And I'll add more. We'll do Facebook and shit too. Only problem this is going to have is I'm going to need to update Orbem chatters. Because you're going to need to be able to control what your Twitch name is. So I'm going to need to add another user meta field for Twitch name so people can have their little floater things when they create an account. And it shouldn't matter what username they created it with. Okay, we got that. We got the Explore template. And we have the login template. I think that's it. Go forth, I say. Big win. Yeah. Yeah. Now the only issue is, I don't know. I guess there's no issue. If you start with Google, you can log in with Google all the time. And, yeah, I'll give it a shot real quick on the live site. Let's try it out. So Orbem.com. First off, let's create a new account. Hey, Fossils. How's it going? Let's log in with Google. So in this case, let's try account already exists. It should just be Scott now. Nice. Big. All right. Let's try on the... Why do I have a login button? Oh, I think I added that for mobile. That's why. Should probably hide that. And then sign in with Google here. Let's try it again. Perfect. I mean, it takes you to the homepage. It worked for you? Nice. And then let's try it on the game. So if we go to the game, which honestly, the account is mainly just so you can save user information for the game. So I'm not like chomping at the bit for your Google information. Sign in with Google. Go. Show me the video. Oh shit. No, I forgot. It redirects you. I'm going to need it to redirect you to whatever page you're on. Hold on. Let's update that logic real quick. Google. Gaggle. Here we go. Redirect URI. Where's the redirect URI? It's just doing the home right now. Yeah, here it is. So let's do... I need to get what you were doing. So this is after you come back from the yeah. But so yeah, before I need to this is handling the Google response. So I had to do a window dot local storage set item redirect for SSO equals window.location.href. Yeah, right. And then here we'll get it. Instead of doing that, we'll do window.local. So you hit start game and it has a black screen with a skip button. It may just be working on buffering. Yeah, I get that sometimes. The video doesn't play. I don't know why that happens, but sometimes it do. All right, let's see if this works. And so every time you load a page, it should reset that local storage value to whatever the current pages you're on. So when it comes, it should be stored for it to read. I don't know. This should work. In theory, if the flow is what I think it is, this should work. Yeah, sometimes I get the black screen too with the skip button. The video doesn't load. Or like the browser blocks the video. I don't know why that is. But it is very anticlimactic. Anticlimactic. Alright, let's see if it works now. Log out. And this should technically work on any page now. Let's see right now. Let's go to escape to Orbem. Okay. And let's see if the local storage value saved. Am I all zoomed in? Okay. Browser. Local storage. Orbem order. Yep. See. You'll see the redirect for SSO value is saved to the current page I'm on. So let's see if this redirects correctly. Look at that. Look at that fucking first try. First try. I've been working with vanilla JavaScript for too long. Fucking, you guys suck. You guys fucking suck. Come on. Give me the fucking fireworks. Yeah. Okay. Fucking legit, guys. So yeah, now technically I should be able to log in from any page, and it'll just take me to that page. So like I'm on the contact page. Oh yeah, it's that new song. And if I click sign in, it should take me to the contact page. Yeah. It's just that easy, my friends. Yeah, that's big. Yeah, that's big. Who doesn't have Google? Cool. Yeah, well, so this should make this a lot easier for people to adopt it and start playing the game right off the bat. Like I said, I need to work on the styling like a motherfucker. It looks like shit. And I will. Like, this whole page needs to be just a lot nicer. I think I'm gonna start with Google and then say, you know, or like we'll do sign in with Google, or, you know, email address, pass. Well, this is login. Yeah, so login with Google, or, you know, if you know your email and password. And then create account. I want to actually open the create account screen. I want to swap out with the login screen though. So I need to just kind of redo the UI here. But, you know, for all intents and purposes. Oh, what is this going to, this is just going to take you to, if you actually use the join screen, it'll redirect you to the home page. Because this page doesn't exist when you're logged in. Okay. Awesome, guys. Well, I think that's it. I'm pumped. Wish I worked on the game a little bit, though. It's all part of the game, though. Well, that's interesting. The mod wheel works. I've never tried that wheel before. Alright, nothing else does anything. Kind of changes the frequency a bit. Yeah, nothing else. Alright, well, hey, everybody who's jumped on today, I really appreciate your time. You know, don't forget to subscribe and follow if you haven't. It's very appreciated. It keeps me going. Keeps everybody else kind of seeing what's going on in the world of Orbem. And don't forget to hit up orbem.shop or flexkeys.shop. And pick up some fucking cool merch. At the end of the day, it's actually really good merch, even if you don't, you know, you're not like super stoked on having Orbem order all over you. It's a lot of good looking stuff and a wide variety of shit. So I would definitely go for it. Oh yeah, purple and orange. That hasn't came yet. Did it show that it shipped? Because I haven't gotten it yet. I'll have to check. If it said it came today, I have not gotten it yet. But if it does, when it does coming up, it said it was delivered today. Oh shit! I gotta go check. Remember, I have 12 acres. My mailbox is about 3,000 feet away from me. I will definitely check, and hey, if it works, I'll list the purple and orange this weekend. And yeah, either way, you can, whatever. You can put an order in whenever you want. Just buy 2. Oh, it came yesterday? Alright. Yeah, I don't think I checked the box today at all. So it could have came, well, you know, since I checked the last box. But tomorrow's going to be a really nice day here. It's going to be in the mid 50s, sunny and stuff. So I'll be outside. Definitely be grabbing it. But yes, grab your flex keys, everybody. Don't be a boner. Make sure you have nice, agile, dexterous fingers for when you're typing, playing piano, when you're climbing mountains, playing guitar, whatever, man. Grab some flex keys. They're less than $5. Less than a cup of coffee. Just fucking pick some up. They're great. Great investment for your future. An heirloom for your family to pass down for generations. And you can buy so many because they're so cheap. And playing Schedule 1. Game Doodle is correct. Alright, everybody. Have a great night. I'll catch you all next week. Have a great weekend. Happy Friday, Saturday for the rest of y'all. And I will catch you next time. Thanks, everyone.